Hello, I'm Mr. Scutt, and I'm the Video and Television Production Instructor at Southwest Tech. Video and Television Production is a 2-year program with Video 1 and Video 2, and I also teach 2 introductory courses that focus on YouTube, online videos, and also TV studio production. I got my start right here in the earlier version of this course. Then I went on to get a degree in filmmaking, and since then I've worked for about 15 years in the industry, where I've worked for national shows like Dr. Phil, National Geographic's Building Wild, and more recently I worked at Cat TV, running the TV studio and doing educational programs. You should sign up for this course if you have any interest in producing videos and learning about how movies, TV shows, and even YouTube channels are managed and produced. In this course, students learn all about video cameras, high-quality microphones, lighting, video editing. We can live stream right here from the classroom, and special effects. We're lucky here to have a full, brand new studio complete with everything you need. Students will leave this program prepared to take on any job in any field. Some possible jobs you can get in the field include director, producer, writer, editor, or even managing communications and marketing for companies. So if you have an interest in learning about how movies and TV shows are made, or even if you want to manage a successful YouTube channel, then this is the right program for you. This is a great outlet for creativity, and it's a lot of fun.